Each of us have a mind that generates thoughts, some pleasant and some not so pleasant, that chatters away in our head. Now, is there a way to silence this mind, to master this mind, and have it work for us instead of against us? The answer is yes. Hi and welcome. My name is Karthika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Welcome to 3 steps to master your mind. Step 1 is to recognize that there is you and then there is the mind. You are not the mind. The mind is a tool that you have. The mind generates thoughts. That's what it's designed to do. So every time you have a negative thought, it's not you consciously thinking these thoughts of tragedy or accidents or things are going to go wrong. It's not you thinking it. These are the thoughts that are reflective of fear inside of you. So it is fear's thoughts or grief's thoughts or thoughts of worry or thoughts of ambition. These are coming from the mind. It's not you. So you don't have to identify with your thoughts as saying it is my thoughts. They're not your thoughts. They're just thoughts. The mind is designed to think. So first step is to disassociate and to recognize that you are not your thoughts. Step 2, know or recognize that you do not have to react to or believe every thought that comes up in your mind, because it's just the mind doing what it's designed to do, which is think. So every time a negative thought comes, it's just the mind doing its own thing. You don't have to react to it or believe in it or follow it. All you have to do is just know that it's the mind doing its own thing. That's it. Step 3. Recognize the patterns, the stories and beliefs inside of your mind. This is what is called as your conditioning. Now, when you change your conditioning or change these belief systems, these patterns of thought and these stories, you change the nature of your thoughts. So there's this concept called myelination, which means that what you repeat, your mind becomes. So if you keep myelination, you remember in biology you would have learned about the nerve cells, you would have learned about the myelin sheath. So the more, so you have a neural pathway to every thought that you think, right? So the more you think a thought, the more the neural pathway becomes really strong. So when you change your stories and repeat those stories as being true, then that becomes more myelinated. It becomes stronger. The myelin sheath becomes stronger. The neural network becomes stronger. So that becomes the new nature of your mind's thoughts, and therefore that is what helps you instead of the previous thoughts that were working against you. Now, to achieve this level of mastery over your mind, you need practice and you need guidance. The good news is that I can personally guide you no matter where you are in the world through my online coaching program. But better news is that if you're in India, I am personally hosting a one-day workshop in Bangalore City in November 8th that teaches you exactly how to master these 3 steps. So if this is something that interests you and you'd like to know more, you can send me an email at my email address that is in the description box with the title The Self-Mastery Intensive, and I will send you more information about this program. So if this is something that interests you, I look forward to seeing you there. And for all of the other lovely people who I'm talking to from the rest of the world, I will see you soon with another video. Love and guidance. Namaste.